The efficiency of the operation of production equipment is a complex indicator of the entire production process of the enterprise. The MDCplus is an automated information system for objective monitoring of production equipment use. The MDCplus comprises the base unit and additional units. In addition to the basic functionality, in Zyfra MDCplus, the following modules are presented: monitoring of machines and staff, production control, program management of the CNC unit, downtime management. One big differentiator is that MDCplus allows you to obtain the necessary information not only at the shop level, but at the factory, group of enterprises, or large holding levels as well. The installation of monitoring system Zyfra MDCplus allows you to consolidate all information in the United Center for further decision-making. At the holding level, Zyfra MDCplus allows to anytime assess the load of a particular enterprise, as well as to ensure the redistribution of orders on the basis of operational data, the centralization of maintenance and repair, and therefore the transition to digital production.